Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Coach Tabby. So we're going to be talking about this lovely beauty right here, my Coach Tabby that I recently picked up at the outlet. So if you watch my videos, then you probably know which one I picked up already. I picked up several Tabbies recently from Coach, but today I wanted to talk about this one. If you don't know which one I'm talking about, let's go ahead, hit like, subscribe. Let's go ahead and get the bag on the screen. Here she is right here, you guys. So today I wanted to talk about my lovely Coach, the Lil Nas X Coach Tabby. I love this bag. This is in the cute, adorable little size 18. You girls remember when Lil Nas X came out with this bag. I knew back then that I wanted one. Sometimes it takes a little longer for you to get a bag in your collection. Nonetheless, I'm glad I didn't miss it. And when they came to Coach Outlet, I just had to go ahead and pick up this beauty. It was so funny because at first I thought I wanted the pink one. I just knew I wanted the pink. I mean, every girl loves pink. And in the adorable Shearling, I always say Shearling, however you pronounce it, I thought that I was going to get the pink one. You know I love Shearling bags. I love the Telfar Shearling bags as well as the Michael Kors Parker. So we'll come back on camera and compare all of those beauties together with my lovely Coach Lil Nas X Tabby, the Coach and Lil Nas X collab. Even though I knew I wanted the pink, when I got in store, they didn't have any of the pinks available from the back. They only had the one that was the floor, you know, the floor model. They only had the one that was on the floor. They only had the display bag, and the display bag had been handled so much. Every woman that went in Coach picked up the pink Tabby, the pink Shearling Lil Nas X Tabby, and handled it. So you could just see the wear on that bag already. And even though I wanted the pink one, I was like, I can't get the display one that's been handled so much. With this blue one, you could see she pulled a fresh one for me from the back. So I was happy about that. Plus, I mean, this color, once I saw the blue in person, the color is just fire. It was just fire to me. I had to go ahead and get the blue. I was just like, oh yeah, the blue. The blue is just like an electric blue. It's a beautiful blue color. So I just fell in love with the blue once I got there, especially since the pink one was so handled. And one of my subscribers, shout out to you, girl. One of my subscribers was like, man, that's a cute bag, but it looked like the Cookie Monster. And I was like, it do kind of look like the Cookie Monster, but that's okay with me. And you girls know I have the Wet n Wild Cookie Monster compact mirror, and it can fit in this bag. So when I carry this bag, I'm going to be using that Cookie Monster Wet n Wild mirror because my subscriber just made me think of that, and it does kind of resemble the Cookie Monster, but it's so adorably cute. So this is the interior right here, and she does come with her strap. She has a rather thick strap. I didn't expect her strap to be quite this thick. So she came with a very thick strap, and this strap is in the same blue, just an electric blue color. It's a beautiful strap. And then she did come with her dust bag in there. She has her dust bag, and the interior is a beautiful blue leather. So pretty. Once again, that Cookie Monster color. And yeah, she can hold a lot. She can hold your cell phone. It's so good when a small bag like this can hold your cell phone. A tiny little bag like this is going to be able to hold your cell phone. So let's go ahead and put her strap on. So this is what she looks like with her strap. And you can make that fall to the front or the back if you like. The other handle, so nice. And I love that you get the double Coach tag with this. So beautiful to get the tags. And I figured, since I have this bag, I'm wearing this bag today, my other Tabby in ombre, let's go ahead and take a look at them together. And I did have on my other Tabby right here, so we will come back and do maybe a comparison on several of my Coach Tabbies. I recently picked up several Coach Tabbies from the Coach outlet. When they came, the retail bags came to the outlet, and I picked up the beautiful ombre Coach Pillow Tabby in the size 18. So we'll come back and take a look at these two beauties a little closer together sometime soon. We'll come back and take a look at what fits and do reviews and comparisons on these lovely bags. But today I just wanted to go ahead and share my Coach Tabby in the beautiful shearling, and this is the Lil Nas X and Coach collab.